Did you know that nearly half of smartphone users have scanned a QR code for coupons, pricing, features, and other information? Due to its extreme popularity, many businesses today are incorporating some form of mobile marketing into their mix, and QR codes are one of the top strategies they're using. Internet technology is great, but it has caused problems for some local businesses. The web has changed the way consumers spend their money. It has also changed the way your business can truly connect with your local target market. Traditional advertising methods are no longer as effective as they once were. So, it's time to market your business in a way that will cut advertising costs and get results. Could QR codes be the missing piece of the puzzle for your small business? QR codes build curiosity, excitement, and responsiveness among consumers. And after they scan them, they're immediately directed to a destination chosen by the business, whether it's a video, your website, your social media profiles, or any other digital platform you choose. Just about any type of business can increase leads, sales, and profits with QR codes because they're cost-effective, easy to use, and easy to track. Contact us for more information about how QR codes can help you connect with your local consumers.